Hey guys, Mr.J01 here. So today, for those who don't know, I hosted a contest not too long ago. Unfortunately, only one person entered, so for now, I'm gonna have to make an extension to the deadline. I'm gonna have to extend it to, let's say January 31st, if that's an accurate date. So if you guys want to enter, please do so. If you guys don't know the rules, I'll give a quick explanation. Basically, you gotta make a screen link, or you can make a huge rally featuring tricks that I have personally invented. So if you, so like so basically a launching pivot track, the drawbridge failure trick, an exploding drawbridge, or a phone, or the long distance, or the gap trick. You can do whatever, as long as it's a trick that I personally invented. If you make up a trick that I haven't said already, bonus points. If you can make your own tricks, you can do that. Hopefully you guys get the message from this, and thank you.